we got the box of the XPG Alpha wireless gaming mouse. It is awarded with Red Dot Winner 2022 for its ergonomic design. And here we can see wireless connection, 16,000 dpi sensor, selectable RGB lighting, which also indicates some of its features. Here we can see the box from all the sides, and there are pretty much key features noted on every side of the box. So without a further ado, let's open the box and see what's inside. The packaging of this box seems pretty nice, and inside we get the whole module including the mouse and some other paperwork. The box inside seems empty right now, and now let's keep this box aside. And here we got some paperwork which includes a quick start guide and some stickers, I guess. Yes, these are stickers. So let's see. Yes, a quick guide and greetings from XPG with few stickers. So that's all. Let's keep these aside and get on with the main unit. This is the main attraction of this video. We get the XPG Alpha wireless gaming mouse. This has launched a few days back in India, and this is a brand new unit you are looking at. So this looks pretty much the same as the wired version. And okay, so this is the wired connection, and this is a USB Type-C port. You can charge the mouse with this port. So let's keep this aside with user manual and stickers. And here we got our mouse. It looks very similar to the wired version of the XPG Alpha gaming mouse. The design is almost the same. On the left side we can see two buttons, which is pretty much customizable via the XPG Alpha application. The USB Type-C connector for charging the mouse. The scroller wheel is also good, it has RGB. And now the DPI button has also a lightning function which indicates DPI. And at the bottom we can see XPG branding, the switch for on off, and it toggles between 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth version. And here we get the 2.4 GHz receiver of this mouse. So this is used to plug in your computer or laptop so that you can work it wirelessly without Bluetooth. Now let's keep this inside. Okay, I'm getting pretty much trouble. No, that's fine. So this is the whole design of this mouse, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. And it is pretty much very lightweight actually. It does not feel heavy. The look, the design is very much similar. So here you get to see the RGB lighting. So for the lighting, the RGB lighting stops pretty soon when you do not move the mouse or when the sensor is not active. The DPI scroller button has also got RGB lighting effect. So under the left and right buttons we can also see RGB lightings, and this looks very nice. With this, we are now ending this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you feel this was an informative video, then do follow Technosports for more updates. Do subscribe to our channel, and until then, stay blessed. Peace.